Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I just want to give you guys a quick reminder, and that is if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. Link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.44 trillion. We're up 4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.9%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are finally starting to see some sort of mild green across the board, but it's nothing to get excited about right now. And that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is literally hovering around very, very crucial levels. And obviously we are approaching the weekend, and you guys do know weekend tend to be the most manipulation that occurs around the cryptocurrency space. So we need to keep that in mind when we are looking at the prices of the markets right now. But today, guys, I want to look further into XRP. All right, the XRP family, if we are looking at the price, we are currently trading at 66.1 cents. We're up 2.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we are down 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 7 spot. Market cap right now is $30.48 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $1.84 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we are still up 277.6%. Obviously, in the last 30 days, we're down 35.5%, but this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. We know what has been going on in the markets, and you know, it's not only XRP that's down quite significantly, it's the entire market that is down as of now. But with that being said, let's get into some news that has come out regarding this SEC lawsuit that everyone is waiting for. So James K. Fillon came out and said Ripple and individual defendants filed their response to the SEC's motion to quash William Hinman's deposition. So that is very, very interesting. I have mentioned this in my previous video regarding XRP. We are seeing a lot of corruption occur, in my opinion. And it just doesn't make any sense. We really need this lawsuit to come to a settlement very, very quickly, because this lawsuit is holding the price of XRP towards the downside, and we're starting to see a lot of information that is coming out of this case favor XRP and Ripple rather than the SEC. I just do not know what is taking so long to come up with some sort of agreement or settlement within these two parties. And I honestly believe there's just a lot of corruption going on, and it's just very, very unfortunate. But I believe there is going to be, light at the end of the tunnel, and the time will definitely come for XRP, in my personal opinion. Looking at XRP's price right now, as you guys can see, we did go all the way down. We touched this level of support right on dot at the 64.86 cents, and we are above it right now, currently trading at 67.6 cents as of recording this video. But that does not mean that we are out of the woods totally. Absolutely not, because we need to look at Bitcoin's price very closely. If Bitcoin decides to roll over and tries to go towards the downside, then we could possibly get out of this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level and get back down to these prices where we were just a couple days ago. If you did manage to pick up some XRP around these price levels, guys, around this 50 cents mark, let's say you had some buy orders placed around there, you would be up right now, as of recording this video, 31.3%. So quite impressive purchase would have been made around these price levels. But that does not mean that we cannot see those prices occur once again, and I will share as to why that's the case. If we are looking at the Bitcoin price so far as of recording this video, I just finished recording a video on Shiba Inu. That time we were seeing Bitcoin trading at $33,400 mark, but right now we're seeing Bitcoin at $34,140 level. But we need to keep in mind this could possibly be a bull trap, and I will explain as to why I'm saying that. Obviously, we are approaching the weekend, and you guys know this is a long weekend. July the 4th, it's going to be a long weekend, and we do tend to see a lot of manipulation occur in the cryptocurrency space around the weekends. So if this is a bull trap, we could definitely see bears push the price down for Bitcoin below this crucial $33,300 mark. And you guys know, if you guys are a viewer on my channel by now, a regular one, you guys know how crucial this level of support really is. If Bitcoin rolls over below this and is unable to close above this, then the door is open for us to drop below 30,000, and these could be the price levels we could potentially see. So please keep that in mind. By no means am I saying that we are out of the woods just yet. You guys know you guys know that this $36,285 level is the safe zone for Bitcoin, and right now we are quite a bit away from there. If Bitcoin is able to get above there and actually hold above there, then we would be having a total different conversation. But as of now, let's not get excited at all. So what does that mean? Let's say Bitcoin does roll over and we see us go back down below $30,000 or even $30,000. You may be asking yourself, Crypto ZX, what could happen with XRP for the immediate short term? Let's get back onto XRP's price and see what could possibly happen. So if we do see Bitcoin roll over, we could easily see XRP break below this level at the 65.18 cents and go towards the downside. We do have a lot of support around this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. This has been playing as a level of support for us. As you guys can see, it has been playing as a level of support, but if the drop is quite significant, I do not see these levels holding up, and we could possibly see us roll back down to these price levels very, very easily. So please keep that in mind when you are looking at the charts. By no means am I saying, Bitcoin is going to the moon tomorrow and we're going literally to the moon, XRP community. Absolutely not, guys. We have to look at the realistic perspective, and as of now, that is what it's looking like. So one thing we also want to point out for you guys is that, look at this, BTC dominance. BTC dominance is sitting at 46%, and that is quite high. Obviously, we have retraced back from this 48% move towards the upside, but if Bitcoin moves towards the downside, you know what's going to happen with BTC dominance. Zoom back up to these price levels. So now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, what does that mean? What is going to happen with the altcoins? Whenever we see Bitcoin drop in price, especially quite significant drops, we do tend to see BTC dominance go up. That's just how it works. They're very, very correlated with one another, especially when Bitcoin price goes towards the downside. And this could mean that altcoins will lag behind Bitcoin and could bleed even further. And that could mean for XRP specifically that we could easily see us fall back down to these price levels. So please keep that in mind when you are looking at XRP prices. But the bullish scenario is, let's say we do go up to 36,000 and close above there and gradually move towards the upside, then I would not be surprised if BTC dominance does continue to go towards the downside. As BTC climbs up, that is a bullish indicator. And I would not be surprised if we do see Bitcoin get back into this 78.6 Fibonacci, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, because we do have a lot of support built up around here. As you guys can see, there's a lot of support. So this would be a nice place for XRP to hover around and gradually move towards the upside, and this is going to be the next support resistance level at this $1.18 mark. But as of now, we are quite long ways away from that. So as of now, this is my price target, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. That's as long as Bitcoin hits $36,000 and gradually move towards the upside. But before I end this video, guys, long-term perspective for XRP is literally the moon is the mission, and I will tell you why. One thing that is keeping XRP away from seeing some move towards the upside, obviously we have seen the entire market retrace. Yes, that is definitely a big point to mention, but this SEC lawsuit is holding back XRP quite significantly. We have not seen XRP grow as much as other altcoins have. I have mentioned this before on my channel, because a lot of people are afraid that this lawsuit could end in a bad way. But we have been starting to see a lot of positive news coming in for Ripple rather than SEC, and that is creating a lot of excitement within this community for XRP. Along with the XRP community is very, very large. The holders are literally die-hard holders. They're in for the long haul. I've seen holders since 2 cents that are still holding. They believe in XRP that much. That's how hardcore dedicated XRP community really is. I believe, again, this is just my own personal opinion, I'm still a strong believer that we will see a parabolic bull run, especially for altcoins, later in Q4 this year, like the one that we did see back in 2017. That could mean that XRP could explode and have a very nice rally towards the upside, but that needs to, this SEC lawsuit does need to come to a conclusion before that were to happen. And, once that happens, we do know, we have heard this come out from Brad Garlinghouse himself. He has mentioned that as soon as this comes to a conclusion, they will go public. Ripple as a company is going to go public, and that is going to be a very, very historic moment for the entire financial industry, along with the entire cryptocurrency markets as a whole. And, that would create a lot of hype, definitely. So if we do consider all these factors, there's definitely more upside potential for XRP in the immediate short term. Long term, definitely there's a potential. XRP is here to stay, in my opinion. It has built up its credibility over the years. It's here to stay over the long term and has a working product. Let's not forget that. Team keeps on delivering despite what it's going through right now. If the team was not serious, we would be able to tell right off the bat if Ripple was just, we're not going to make more partnerships, we're not going to expand our brand, we're just going to stop right where we are until this lawsuit is finished. But that's not the case. They keep on innovating and expanding, and that is a bullish indicator on its own. And I believe as soon as this lawsuit were to come to an end, we will definitely see some sort of bullish momentum towards the upside, and XRP community will be rewarded very, very heavily, and I'm a very, very strong believer on that. But we will see what happens. Only time is going to tell. But with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you guys could see XRP going at the end of this year. Let me know in the comment section below, and come join the Telegram group chat, guys, if you have not already. It's free to join. And also, thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I really, really do appreciate you guys. I do this for you guys. And thank you once again for always showing so much support. It really, really does mean the world to me. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my videos get to a wider audience. So your support would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. With that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here for you guys. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.